Hello everyone. I have been gone for a while and I honestly just posted a video and never went back to look at it. But I saw that it got 700 views. So I just wanted to come back and give you guys a quick video on what you need to pass as the exam, because when I took it I thought that I needed at least like a 70 or 80 on each section to pass, but that is not true. So first let's get into the domains. So you have 6 domains on this exam. Domain 1 is data content, structure, and information governance. And this covers 24 to 28% of the exam. You have domain 2, which is access, disclosure, privacy, and security, which covers 12 to 16%. You have domain 3, which is data analytic and use, which is 14 to 18%. And you have domain 4, which is revenue cycle management, and that's 14 to 18%. You have domain 5, which is compliance, and that's 13 to 17%. And you have domain 6, which is leadership, and that's 11 to 15%. So these are the 6 domains that you will have on your exam. Now, they do not go in order. All the questions kind of broken up, so you will not know which domain you're on. The questions are all just jumbled up together, and you just answer them as you go. Now, you can mark the questions and go back to them when you're taking the exam. Okay, so I want to show you guys my score report. And I don't know if you can see it very well, but as you can see, I did not make anything above a 70 on this exam and I still passed. My score was a 311. You need a 300 to pass. The lowest I made was a 53%, and that was on domain 1. The highest I made was on domain 2, and the rest of the scores are, as you can see, below 67%. So anything that you make, I think, on your practice test when you're studying, if you get anything above a 70%, I think you're good to take the test. If you're constantly making above a 70% as you're practicing. Again, one of the main things that I used to practice was the whiteboard questions, and also the purple RHIT Exam Study Prep book. You can get that from the HEMA website. You can also get the online version, which is helpful as well. It has flashcards and everything in that. And also my school provided study island for us. So every week we went in and we took practice tests. That was part of our grade in the RHIT prep class that we had from our school. So I know last video I told you guys to drop any questions that you had in the comment section, but I had disabled the comment section. I don't know how that happened, but last week I went back and cut it on. So if you're still watching that video, you still can put questions in there. I'll let you guys put questions in this video as well if you have any questions.